welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time watching. My name is Dominique, and today I am going to be trying a Pinterest inspired holiday recipe. It only calls for 4 ingredients. It's also a no-bake recipe, so that means no baking required. I really love Pinterest. I just love looking at all the ideas that they have, from home decor to recipes to holiday ideas to outfit ideas. I mean, I could just look up anything I want really, and I get so many amazing ideas. And I saw this peppermint bark recipe and it looked so good, and my husband loves peppermint, so I was like, I'm gonna try this out and see how it comes out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't seen my previous video, it was a collab with a bunch of amazing ladies on YouTube, so make sure you go and check that one out. I'll leave that in the description below. It is a gingerbread house competition between me and my husband, so it was really fun, so make sure you check that out if you haven't already. So here we go. The ingredients that you need for this recipe are some Oreos, candy canes, white chocolate, and chocolate chips. You take some candy canes and crush them, and then you also take your Oreos and crush them as well. The first layer is chocolate chips, so I melted them and just gonna spread it out on the parchment paper to make that first layer. Next, you're going to take the crushed Oreos and spread them on top of the chocolate, and then you're going to put this in the freezer for 5 minutes to chill. Now I'm taking the white chocolate chips and melting them, and then just layering it on top. And then you top it off with the crushed candy cane. You can do as much or as little as you want, it's totally up to you. I did a lot since me and my husband love peppermint. Then after that, I chilled it in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and there you go, you got your peppermint bark. You wanna try some peppermint? Here. Is it good? Yay! Is it good? Yes, it's good. Can I have a hug? Aww.